Hello everyone, this is Sameh Elsayed, your business coach again. If you have a new product or service and you want to launch in the market, you must have thought of the marketing strategy or marketing process or marketing mix. And you also must be aware that marketing process is all about identifying customers' needs and meeting those needs more successfully than your competitors. I believe you are aware of the topics that I'm going to talk to you today about. It is called the marketing strategy or the marketing mix. Stay tuned. In order to guarantee the success of the launch of your new product or new service, you must think of and you must plan your marketing strategy and your marketing mix properly and in a better way. Are there any things or are there any models or techniques which might help you shape your marketing mix? Yes. I have today a model called 4Ps. That 4Ps model can help you decide your components of your marketing mix. That can help you shape and think of your marketing strategy in a proper way. But what is that 4Ps model? Those 4Ps are product, price, place, and promotion. Product refers to the features or quality of the product or service. Those features might include after-sale services or warranties as well. So this is the product. The second P is price, and it refers to selling price of the product. And we must understand something regarding customers and customers' expectation. Customers are always going to purchase low price products, and they are also attracted by discounts. They like to have some discounts before they buy some product. Let's take an example. Let's say that we have two products, same feature, same everything. The first price say 10 USD, but the second product says original price is 20 USD, but it has now 50% discount and the selling price is 10 USD. Which one you will go to? I will go to that product which says original price is 20 USD, but now after 50% discount, the price is 10 USD. Because customers are all attracted to discounts, to lower prices, they must feel that they are getting a good offer. This is something that you must understand about the behavior of customers, about your customers. The third P is place, and it refers to the point of sale. Where is that sale is going to happen? It also refers to the channel of distribution. Some customers like to buy some products from a shop, store, or supermarket, but some customers also like to buy the products online. They want to buy it from the website of that company. And those are the ways a product can be sold or purchased. It is all about the place. Now we have another P, the last P, the fourth P, which is all related to promotion. And that refers to the advertisement that you are doing to ask people to know your product, to make that product famous and known for your customers. It is all related to promotion. And that includes the activities that you take to make your product known for your customers. It can include advertising in TV, in radio. It can also include press reports. It can also include flyers, tele sales, or social media ads. All of those techniques might help you with your promotion. So those are the 4Ps model aspects: product, price, place, promotion. Understanding the 4Ps of your product or service is a key success factor to the launch of your product or service. That will help you market your product well, because you will be able to understand the needs of your clients or customers, and you will be able to meet those needs or customers or expectations in a proper way, in a better way. So you must understand all aspects of your product or services and the market in which you will launch your product, and the needs and expectations of your customers. And that model, 4Ps model, will help you so much in that process. I'm Sameh Elsayed. Thank you so much for watching me, and see you in the next video.